This week we are doing Within Word Sort 23. These words have to do with our influenced vowels spelling patterns. So we have the vowel A, the vowel I, the vowel O, and the vowel U, but they are controlled by the R after each vowel. Two of these columns sound the same. We have IR, which says just like you are. It would say as in curl, or IR would say as in stir. Then we have AR that will say R, like stars. And then we have OR that will say or, like fork. So let's start with our first word. Our first word is start. Now, by looking at this word, I can tell that there's an A and an R, so it would go in the AR column. We need to also listen to the sounds we hear. So in start, we hear a, R, so we know that it goes in the AR column. Next, we have dark. Now, dark's the same way. I hear R, and I know that AR makes the R sound, so dark will go in the AR column. Our next one is birth. Now, with birth, I hear I have two columns that say the sound, IR and UR, and I know that birth has IR in the word, so it goes in the IR column. Our next word is corn. Corn says or, and I know that OR says or, so it's going to go in the OR column. Burn. Now, burn says in the word, so it's either IR or UR. And I can tell by the way it's spelled, it's UR, so it's going to go in the UR column. Our next word is burst. Burst, it says so it will either go in the IR or the UR, and burst has UR in the word, so it's going to go to the UR column. Dirt. Dirt, the I is controlled by the R, and it says and so in dirt, it will go in the IR column. Our next word is fork. In fork, I know that the R controls the O, and it says or, and so OR says or, so it goes in the OR column. The next word is harm. Harm goes in the AR column because it says R, harm. Our next word is harp. Harp, it says R, and the A is controlled by the R saying R. It's going to go in the AR column. Our next word is surf. Surf, the R is controlled by the U, and it says and so it will either go in the I or the UR, and it's UR, so it'll go in the UR column. The next few words, I'm going to say the word, and I'm going to give you a chance to sort it in your head and make sure you're correct whenever I show you where it goes. Storm. It went in the OR column. Next word is swirl. It went with the IRs. Our next word is porch. It went with the ORs. Our next word is stir. It went with the IRs. Our next word is sharp. It went with the ARs. Our next word is hurt. It went in the UR column. Our next word is curl. It went in the UR column. Our next word is curb. It went in the UR column. Our next word is north. It went in the OR column. Our next word is horn. It went in the OR column. Our next word is girl. It went in the IR column. Our next word is first. It went in the IR column. Our last word is shark. And it went in the AR column. Make sure you practice, especially the IR and UR words, because they have the same sound. Great job.